Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do multiplication by 11. Okay, let's start with, let's say, this number 5, 2, 3 multiply by 11. So the first thing you do is to take the first digit of the number, so that is 5. Next thing you do to get the second digit of the result would be add 5 to 2, that gives you 7. Then you add the second digit to the last digit of this number, so it's 2 plus 3, and that gives you 5. And the last digit 3 of that number, put it back as it is the last digit of the answer. So 523 times 11 will give you 5,753. Now let's double check this answer with a calculator. Right, you take 523 times 11 and your answer is 5753. There it goes. Now let's take another example. Okay, this time we'll use, let's say, 2, 4, 5 multiply by 11. So what's the answer? Okay, so you take again the first digit of this number, which is 2, put it down here. Then you add 2 to 4, that gives you 6. And then you add 4 to 5, which gives you 9. And you take the last digit of that number, which is 5, just put it back as the last digit of the answer. So 245 times 11 will give you 2695. Okay, let's get the calculator out again. See what you get there? It's 2,695. That's exactly what we got. Now let's say we take another example. What happens if the digit when you add together is more than 10? So this is the answer. Let's say we take 5, 9, 6 times 11 equal. Okay, the answer would be again the same thing. You take the first digit of that number, which is 5. Then you add 5 to 9. Now 5 plus 9 will give you 14. So 14, you put a 4 and you carry 1 on top of the 5. 1. Right? Then the next thing is you take 9 plus 6, which will give you 15. So you put a 5 here and you carry the 1 to the 4. And then 6 exactly is the last digit, put it back as 6. Now you have to add the digits that you carry over earlier on to the 4 and 5. So you have to add 5 plus 1 will give you 6. And then 4 plus 1 will give you 5. And 5, 6 as it is. So 596 times 11 is equal to 6,556. Let's whip up the calculator again and let's check if we are correct. 596 times 11 equals, there you have it, it's 6,556. Let's take one more example. Say we take 8, 4, 7 times 11 equals. Okay, what we're going to do is take the first digit of the number, that's 8, add 8 to 4, that gives you 12, so put the 2 there and carry 1 to 8. Next we add 4 and 7, that gives us 11, so put 1 and add and carry over 1 to the 2. The last one is 7, which is the last digit. Retain as it is 7. So now what have we got to do? Remember, you got to add the 2 digits that you carried over earlier on. So 8 plus 1 gives you 9. 2 plus 1 gives you 3. And 1, 7 as it is. So 847 times 11 will give you 9,317. Let's check if we are correct. 847 multiplied by 11 equals 9317. There you have it. See how easy it is now to do any multiplication of any number by 11. In order to find out more about this sort of easy maths calculations, please click the link under this video.